Assalamu alaikum friends. Hello viewers. Today our topic is top 20 ways to make money with Amazon associates. The number one is niche selection is Curica. I love to target physical product focus niches and keywords. It is just to make money using Amazon affiliate program. If the people coming to your website are looking for a specific product that your website discuss, it's more difficult to use a website like my blog here and make money linking to physical products because the people coming here are looking for advice on how to earn money online, not what iPod speakers they should buy. Now the second is link to products inside your content. Now the third is make product images clickable affiliate link. Roughly 50% of my total Amazon income has come from simply making all of the products images on my website clickable affiliated links. You can easily insert product image into your content using the Easy Amazon plugin and earn commission anytime someone click the image, goes to Amazon and make a purchase. Number 4 is link to Amazon.com as many times possible. And number 5 is a product review article convert the best. And number 6 is build an email list. You have probably heard this 100 times by people telling you to build an email list on the Blogger and internet marketing cloud, but building an email list is way easier on a physical product oriented website. Number 7 is write sale and promos during the holiday. Number 8 is identify which niche you want to go into based on Amazon's affiliate payout percentage. No, these totals are accurate as of June 2018 but will change in the future. To see up to date and to look in your Amazon associate portal, the number 9 is use vertical tracking IDs for each website. And the number 10 is use Easy Amazon to save time and make more money with Amazon. The plugin allows you to insert information and affiliate link to Amazon in a much faster way than creating the links yourself by hand from Amazon.com. Number 11 is insert buy now button into your articles. Number 12 is create a product comparison grid. Number 13 is publish a recurring deal post. Number 14 is publish a monthly bestseller list. Number 15 is use native shopping ads over static banner ads. 16 is don't bother creating an Amazon store. Number 17 is use a website layout that improve conversation. And number 18 is just get people onto Amazon.